So Zoom, we hardly knew you a few months ago. Now we spend hours and hours together.
Whoa!
Most of us have used Zoom by now, and most classes this fall will be held over Zoom. But we want to make sure you know a few tips to make Zoom an even better classroom experience. All you need to access Zoom is Wi-Fi and your device. Zoom can be used on your phone, tablet, or computer. Basic Zoom is free, and you don't need a pro account for your classes. Simply follow the link to Zoom shared with you by your instructor. They may have shared it by email or on Moodle. Just click on the link and allow Zoom to boot up. When you are in, choose to join with computer video and audio. You don't need to create an account in order to attend most meetings, unless the faculty member has required that you be authenticated. In which case, setting up an account is simple. Just create an account by clicking Sign Up. All you need is your email account, first name, last name, and password. Now, upon following that link to your class, sometimes you may be placed in a waiting room. Be patient. Your instructor will let you in as soon as possible. But if it's been a few minutes, you can always send them an email to let them know you are there, or message them if you're using GroupMe, for example. Once you are in, you will see the other participants listed by name and yourself. To change how your name appears, click on Participants, then hover over your name, choose More, and then Rename. This will be helpful if you share the device with others who may have entered Zoom using a different name. At the bottom of the screen on the left, you will see the video and audio icon. When the red line appears through one of these, you are muted. So, no one can hear you speak or see your smiling face. Most of the time, you should keep yourself muted with video on. Other options along the bottom include chat and reactions. Depending on the meeting settings, you may also see share screen. Chatting allows you to send a question to the instructor, respond to their prompts, and at times, again depending on the settings, chat with other participants. Just remember that the content of the chat will be fully visible to the meeting host. At the end of the class, you can also save the chat if there were helpful notes or links in there, if the instructor has allowed for that. Click on the box with 3 dots to save the chat to your computer. Reactions allow you to give visual feedback to a speaker, such as applause. Your instructor may ask you to participate using this feature. Finally, share screen will be enabled if you are doing a presentation, for example. Once you click on Share Screen, Zoom will load all of the available options from other web tabs to open Word documents and PowerPoints. Click on the item you want to share, then click Share at the bottom right. A helpful green bar will appear with an arrow to what you are sharing. To stop sharing, click Stop Share. To present a PowerPoint on Zoom, open the PowerPoint you want to present. Click on the Slideshow tab, then click on Set up Slideshow. Under Show Type, choose Browse by an Individual, then click OK. Next, switch the PowerPoint to slideshow mode by clicking on the Slideshow tab, and then From the Beginning, or from Current Slide if that is what you need. To advance the slides, you can click on the forward arrows on your computer keyboard. Another feature your instructor may use is Breakout Rooms. These are great for group work or small discussions. If your instructor assigns you to a breakout room, a box will pop up inviting you to join the breakout room. Just click Join Breakout Room. If you need your instructor to help you while in the room, you can always click Ask for Help, and the meeting host will be notified that you need assistance, and they will be asked to join your breakout room. You can leave the breakout room at any time by clicking Leave Room, but generally the instructor will call you back. You will see a box pop up with a countdown until you are automatically sent back into the main room, or You can click to join the main room at any point before time runs out. To set your display in Zoom, you can choose Gallery or Speaker View. Gallery View lets you see everyone that will fit on the screen at once, and a yellow box will highlight the main speaker. Speaker View makes the person speaking appear in a larger box, with the other attendees in small boxes around that speaker box. You should also know that your instructor will be able to take attendance using Zoom, including data of how long you attended the session, as well as receive data on your attention to the Zoom window during class. So, stay focused. These are some basics on Zoom. It's a new virtual world and I know it can be really tough, but you got this. Best of luck and see you soon.